Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix terminal not opening in Ubuntu. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do here is removing the recently installed app. So if terminal isn't opening at all and you've recently installed a new app, so this may be causing a conflict. So you can try uninstalling the recently installed app and see if the terminal will work once again. So to uninstall an app on Ubuntu, you need to first, or since you cannot open the terminal, just open a TTY window by pressing the Control Alt F3 on your keyboard and just log into your account. So to delete a specific package, just enter the following command right here, replacing package name with the name of the package you want to remove. So this is the command, and again, just replace this package name section right here with the package that you want to remove. And once the app has been uninstalled, just try opening terminal again to see if it has fixed the problem. But if the problem still persists, what you can do next is to fix the terminal configuration. So if you made some changes to the terminal configuration, this may be the root of your trouble. So you can try undoing these changes to get the terminal working again. And you can use the conf editor if you prefer using the GUI to roll back your changes. So to use the conf to fix your terminal configuration, just open the TTY window again by pressing the Control Alt F3 on your keyboard and sign into your account. So just install the decont using the command right here. So this is the command. So you can just simply copy that from here. So once installed, just click the TTY window by pressing Alt F2 on your keyboard and click on to the appropriate folders to navigate to the org/gnome/terminal/legacy. So after that, just use the toggles to undo the terminal settings you changed previously and then just try launching terminal again. Then lastly, what you can do if the problem still persists is to purge the current local files. So I know if something has messed up your locals, terminal may not know which language to display, so which can cause it to quit. So you can purge your current local settings, which will cause them to regenerate. So this may fix your problem. So to purge the local or the current local settings, just open again TTY window by pressing the Control Alt F3 and log into your account and enter the following command right here. So after you've done that, just press the enter and your locals should regenerate. So once completed, just close the TTY window with Alt F2 and try opening terminal again. So that's it for this video. Those are some steps or troubleshooting steps that you can do if you cannot open the terminal on Ubuntu. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.